Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Crypto market is absolutely booming, and Terra Luna has shown huge rallies. In fact, Terra Luna has shown potentially the most rallies we've seen throughout the entire crypto market. In this video, I'm going to cover why the price is rallying, what Terra Luna even is, am I bullish, and what my trading strategy is for Terra Luna's price right this minute. Now, before we begin, guys, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Go on, do it. And also hit that subscribe button as I make new videos every single week on cryptos, investing, personal finance, stocks. And I also have a Patreon where I post what I buy and sell in real time, my trading strategies, market sentiment, my opinions on it. And there's a lot of one-on-one support with me directly and a fantastic community where everyone discusses what they're buying, what they're selling, what they're trading. So check that out. I have linked that down below. And let's begin and go into Terra Luna's token and why the price is going absolutely ballistic. So just going on to CoinMarketCap, we know the crypto sentiment is fantastic right now. There's a lot of confidence in the cryptocurrency markets. We saw the initial bearish trends that were, we were wondering, was it going to be the end of the bull market? But lo and behold, it was not over. Cycles usually last longer than they did in previous cycles. So compared to the bull market we saw in 2018, this year we're going to see it last a bit longer. Going into 2022. So looking at Terra Luna, if I scroll down, you can see that in the last 7 days, it has actually increased around 71.63% in the last 7 days. This is monumental, you guys. Terra Luna and Solana are the two that have increased the most. Of course, we've seen rallies in Polkadot, in DC, and we have seen the rallies in Cardano. And if you haven't seen my previous video, check that out. You guys know I'm a big ADA fan. But Terra Luna and Solana are rallying. This is indicative of investors' confidence in layer 1 protocol solutions in the DeFi space. So the current price of Terra Luna is $28.98. Also, if anyone's going to be like, right, it's time for me to buy Terra Luna. Guys. No. You buy it when it's on the dip. You do not buy it right now, because at this point, we are in market exuberance. The market is overheating for Terra Luna's token. I think we're going to see a major correction. Maybe we're going to see it at this point here. It could go up a little bit more, and then we can see a major correction. Don't buy when the rallies are happening, you guys. That's when you're meant to take profits. Now, it's fantastic if you bought it earlier, but don't go and buy it right now. Right now is the time for you to take profit. If anything, if you're going to be trading, it is a good time to be shorting this instrument rather than buying it right now. If you already hold it, please take profits, you guys. Also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own opinions. Have to put that in there. So looking at this article on CoinDesk, we can see that Solana and Terra hit all-time highs as markets disregard last week's DeFi hacks. Now, DeFi hacks always cause price crashes. We did see a little bit in the red last week, but crypto market has shown resilience, and the price rally for tokens representing the two projects that are built for decentralized finance shows that investors remain confident about the industry, as I mentioned, especially in layer 1 protocols, despite the security risks that were exposed by the biggest DeFi hack ever in monetary value last week. So Solana hit its record high of $69 on Monday. And I have made a video on Solana, by the way. I'm very bullish on Solana. I personally hold Solana as well. So I will link that down below. But Terra's native token Luna has also shown all-time highs. And Terra is an algorithmic balancing system that helps stable coins, so things like USDT, USDC, to basically maintain their pegs to stable currencies like the US dollar. It provides such an important mechanism, let's call it, to ensure that stable coins are, stable, essentially. This is a very important mechanism for stable coins. There is such an increasing use of stable coins. I personally hold part of my savings in stable coins myself. I even accept payments in stable coins, particularly in the crypto industry. So people are recognizing there is an increasing demand in ensuring that stable coins remain stable, essentially. So according to analysts, this reflects the market's increasing demand for higher scalability, as recent non-fungible tokens NFTs craze has brought crypto to a more mainstream market, and many investors and traders continue to bet that Ethereum's impending migration from proof of work blockchain to proof of stake will be delayed. And therefore, this NFT mania is spilling over into the layer 1 solutions because of the delay we're seeing in Ethereum, especially because of the delays we're seeing in Ethereum's EIP 1559 upgrades. As investors are waiting for EIP 1559 to take place, they are flowing their money into other crypto DeFi projects that are in the blockchain space that are already providing certain upgrades, such as network upgrades. So the reason we are seeing a rally in Terra's price is because of their Columbus 5 network upgrade, which is set to go live in the next few weeks. If you notice, crypto rallies usually happen when there is a huge piece of fundamental development in that crypto project. We saw Cardano's rally because of the Alonzo update, we're seeing Terra's because of the Columbus 5 network upgrade, and Solana's rally is because of their cross-chain communication protocol that is called WEBULL. And these rallies we're seeing in Solana and Terra are happening because these developments are taking place in a timely manner. So because of Ethereum's delays, investors are flowing their money from Ethereum into these other DeFi projects that are actually delivering their upgrades in time. So guys, I'm just going to quickly explain to you what Terra is based on Cryptopedia. By the way, the name Cryptopedia, how well does that work? Whoever came up with that, Cryptopedia. So, Cryptopedia. So, Terra Luna, a stablecoin powered payment platform. Terra is a next generation blockchain payment network interwoven with stablecoins and powered by its own Luna coin. Alright, so it's a trustless, programmable blockchain e-commerce platform that offers fiat-pegged stablecoins to provide more stability when conducting cross-border payments. This is pretty damn useful. So Terra relies on its utility and staking token UNA. Okay, so you can stake it and it provides a use case, as well as several other stablecoins that are pegged to many of the world's top fiat currencies, including Terra US, so UST. By using stablecoins, the Terra crypto ecosystem offers low fees, instant settlement, and frictionless cross-border exchange to power retail transactions. A real use case, you guys. I'm really bullish on Terra, but I just think you guys should wait and not buy it right now because the rally is going to surely see a downfall in its price very soon. When such rallies happen, it's only like a minute away from crashing. Don't overpay. Remember that. So the Terra crypto payment solution is very much interlinked with Asian e-commerce. So the Asian digital payments industry is very crowded. We have Alipay, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Kakao Pay, and more than 45 other digital payment service providers. So Terra, having built their next generation blockchain payment system, will allow them to tap into this growing Asian e-commerce market. Therefore, increase mass adoption, scalability, and this will see us see further price rallies in the next bull market. Right now, I would just say proceed with caution. It's probably better to short it very soon rather than be buying it at such a premium. Obviously, if you're holding for the 5 to 10 years, it's a different story, but I still think it's the worst time to be buying at the top. So Terra was built using Cosmos blockchain technology and is designed to challenge incumbent retail payment apps. As a comprehensive end-to-end payment solution, Terra manages to circumvent the entire existing fragmented payment infrastructure. So this model allows Terra's technology to potentially save payment service providers hundreds of millions of dollars per year. For users, Terra differentiates itself from competitors with discounted transaction fees, charging only 0.5% to 2%, while 2.5% to 3% is the industry norm. So they are beating the market via that low transaction fee structure. So let's look at the Luna token price chart. I've drawn some support and resistance lines. So in the long term, I think it has the potential to reach around $80, but this will depend on the bull market continuing well into 2022 and potentially when the next bull market even happens. As of the short term, here's where we think the price can go. So we will see some pullbacks to around $22, and then provided that the crypto market sentiment is strong, we will see it bounce back upwards and go towards $45, potentially hitting $50. And this will be later around September, October time. So I definitely think there will be a pullback here. So if you do want to buy in at the dip, then around $22 is a good amount, $22, $23, and that could see it further go up towards the upside. Now, if it's parabolic, then we can see it hit the $70 to $80 region a lot faster. But again, highly dependent on crypto market sentiment. And if Ethereum's EIP 1559 takes place and is not delayed any further, then money will flow out of Terra Luna token and go into Ethereum. So it's important you also bear that in mind. So I think a realistic price prediction would be anything between $45 to $50 soon. I saw this article on FX Street that kind of supports my point that Terra price headlines the new altcoin season, but Luna may need to pull back. So Luna is close to registering a bullish golden cross pattern at the 50-day simple moving average as it approaches the 200-day simple moving average. So just be prepared for that pullback, buying at the dip, and if crypto market sentiment is strong and EIP 1559 for Ethereum is still delayed, then continue holding your Terra Luna token until you see it reach around $45-50 in my opinion. I talk about all this on my Patreon, so definitely check that out. I post a lot of this before it happens on my Patreon so that you can know before what trade to make and when to exit your position. So anyway, what do you guys think of Terra and its Luna token? Are you guys bullish? Are you guys holding? When are you planning to sell, buy? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button down below and that subscribe button as I make new videos every single week, and also that bell notification so that you get informed on my videos, which a lot of them are time sensitive. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.